What's up, y'all? It's Hype Boy. I'm here to do an unboxing video, so let's get into it. Alright, so I ordered this on eBay a long time ago. Finally came in. It's a Alexa Bliss, Little Miss Bliss, Wicked Little Bliss, Miss Everything Bliss. This is an awesome shirt, guys. I've been waiting for this a long time, so finally came in. Also, I just came to hold up. Oh, sweet. We get an Alexa Bliss card. This is awesome. So we get Alexa Bliss card and this. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. This is Hype Boy. Peace.